I'll show you how to start a crochet project with a magic ring. I'll be using US crochet terminology. To begin, make a loop with your yarn so that the yarn tail is coming across the working yarn. And then pick it up so that your index finger of your non-dominant hand has the working yarn coming across it, and you're going to pinch where it crosses. So you're holding on to that loop. Now take your crochet hook and go into the loop, grab the yarn and pull it through the loop. Now chain 1, yarn over, pull through the loop, but don't let go of this loop quite yet. Make sure it stays in place like this. There's your chain 1. Now I'm going to single crochet into this loop, but I'm going to make sure that these two strands are held together. So when I go into the loop, I'm going in under 2 strands, doing a yarn over, pulling up a loop, and then yarn over and pull through 2 to make my first single crochet. Now I'm going to put a total of 6 single crochets into this magic ring, but each time I'm going to make sure that I'm working under both strands here. Go in, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through 2. And do that 4 more times. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 single crochets, but that is a really big ring right there. That's not what I want. I want a nice tiny ring. So what I'm going to do is pull on my yarn tail. Just hang on to this stitch right here and watch what happens when I pull the yarn tail. It tightens that right up, and there I have, there's my magic ring right there in the middle. Now I can count backwards to check my number of stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there is my first stitch. And typically I'm going to be working in rounds without joining. So the first stitch of my next round will go under both loops of that stitch. I'll go ahead and make that stitch, that one stitch, and then put a marker in it so I can know that that's the beginning of my round. I'll go ahead and put 2 stitches in each stitch around, and we'll take a look at what it looks like once I have this second round complete. Here I've finished my second round by putting 2 single crochets in each stitch. You can see my center ring is a little more open than I might want it to be. I can just give it another little tug that yarn tail, and it will tighten right back down. It may come loose a little bit as you work. You can always go back and pull on that tail, and once you have a little more fabric to work with, you'll want to weave this yarn tail in very well, not just around these stitches, but you'll want to go up and down and around in different directions to keep this magic ring from coming undone, because with a lot of wear it will come undone if you don't weave it in really carefully. Thanks for watching. If you'd like more instruction like this, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Check out the links in the video description for more ways you can find me. See you soon!